have a rain cancellation today in Orlando, but we are going to get on the road and head to Gainesville. So we're trying to avoid the rain. Joey Berry said that if we get to Daytona Beach by noon, we'll miss the rain. So I think that's what the plan is. Hi, Joey Berry. What did you say the radar says?
You gotta be north of Daytona Beach by like noonish.
If we leave now, are we on track for that?
Depends
Minus
on if
the
you're scared of the
Chick-fil-A
gas
stops.
pedal or not. The way you guys drove last night, no.
It's your dad.
You won't make it to Gainesville by tomorrow.
Your dad does like 50.
Well, tell him, be like, this is why
No,
you keep...
no.
Tell him, be like, this is why you keep pedaling it.
No.
Be like, you gotta...
No, we're not trying to make him mad today. It's gotta be a good day. Get the booties.
Where's Mike? Can you get that?
At the track and then get our directions and all of that. Hi. So, we're good. We are at Orlando Speed World, but there's no cars going down tracks because there's a big chance of rain. So we are going to go ahead and hit the road today and head to Gainesville. So if we're out by noon, so like 48 minutes. Hey guys, if we're out by noon, we will try not to be loud. They're filming. I'm sorry. Was I being too loud? I didn't realize you were filming. Okay. I just-
I don't know if Joe's still there or not. Surely they waited.
All right, we're not racing yet.
Sucks because it's such a nice track.
I know. I would like to have had the chance to race the track, but
They were saying that it was like SGMP between these three tracks. They said it's just super sticky, super nice.
man. So yeah, we missed that track, but we are on the road. We're I think taking the scenic route today. Tom has 2 routes. We're going
Luke and Tom. So you got Mr. Conservative and kind of cool guy. You guys pick which one's which.
It's like-
We're taking Luke's route. Let's put it that way.
yeah, we are taking Luke's route. So I'm gonna go in and get us some drinks, pumping some gas here. Fancy little trap door gas deal.
We're gonna go to the beach and it's freezing.
Yeah, but
See Cape Canaveral.
I think we're all gonna go get food at some point
Yeah,
before we all
yeah.
divide and conquer. But anyways, drinks. What do you want to drink?
Diet Coke.
And do you want a snack?
Yeah, give me like how about a package of those little brown donuts with the what do you call it, coconut on them?
Okay, noted. Noted. All right. We got a fitting leaking over here.
A thing.
I said a fitting.
Oh. Yeah, this. Ouch, man, this ground's hard on my knees. This hose right here, see that? It's like I gotta take that fitting off. Let me find my wrench here. Of course, it's hot. It's pouring pretty good, but I'm worried that it's gonna blow the hose off.
Where'd you break?
It's a hose. Where
See
it's
this
put
right
together.
here? It's
Yeah.
just pouring fluid out of this
Oh, shit.
connection right here. I need to get another.
Is it loose?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Doesn't look like
It's
it.
where the hose is put together in the fitting. I think.
I know, but that's.
Yeah, it's like the.
I mean, I remember when we built all those, but
Let's see.
yeah, if those two.
Oh, look at that.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
That would blow off going down the drag strip for sure.
Yeah, but here's the problem: how
That hose is gonna not have much room to.
Don't have much compression on.
Oh, but it's a swivel.
Yeah, but it shouldn't
Oh,
be
but it
spinning
shouldn't
on
swivel
there.
the hose.
Right.
No.
Okay, so I don't know where Dad's had his jacket, but when he stopped to fix the cooler line, he set his jacket down, so Chad's gonna go look for it because, I don't know, hopefully he finds it, because that sucks. Don't know where it's at, don't know if it's on the wing, not really sure, but, so that's why we're pulled over. Dragula Street crew here, they're gonna follow along. Pretty cool, right back there, see those buildings? That's actually Cape Canaveral that we're driving by, so pretty neat to see. So we should be cruising by some beach stuff today. It's gonna be pretty neat. So anyways, as soon as we find the jacket, we'll be back on the road. Hopefully the jacket's found. Great news. The jacket's been found. Life can go on.
Thank you, guys. I was going to hold it hostage for another week. Look, hey, I really screwed this up. I should have taken the jacket and put it on everybody's car and taken a photo of it and said, I never found it, Dennis.
I actually wondered if maybe you guys took it and it was a joke.
Here's the funniest shit. We go back to the first street and there's a black jacket and I pick it up and I go,
Hobos.
that ain't his jacket.
That's weird. Did Wes get turned around?
I don't know. Oh, that's pretty dang cool. A 55 at the beach. But look at all those boats. Is it a boat or is it a car? I don't know, because it's in the water. Look at all these photographers. It's a photographer heyday. Pew, pew, pew.
There's some of those good ones where you get down and stuff. I want to do one of those.
Drop it low. Drop it low.
I'm gonna get down. What?
Help him. Good job, guys.
Photo ever.
Chad, there's a palm tree.
Behind the car. You want the palm tree over behind the trailer.
I got that.
We've been here before.
Look, but we've not been in the rain by a beach
Look,
before.
look at the waterfall. And I put seals on the doors.
Tape? Oh, no,
I got
you did put real steel.
Look, but you can see daylight. Oh, look.
I know. I got lots of daylight up here.
It's gonna suck.
Oh, look, that's where we got a leak. right?
Okay, who wants to take my place?
Hey,
That's literally, what is that? That's water just pouring in.
yeah. It's super cool.
And it's cold.
Yeah. Hey, transmission, heat up. But it won't.
Yeah, people ask about that, and it's like, yeah, sometimes it's kind of nice.
I would love if it would build some temperature right now.
That could be our only heater.
Okay, are you ready for this?
No,
Is
is
Newbern
what I
ready
think.
for this?
I'm not ready for it, but we got to do it, or it's going to be midnight.
I think it's gonna rain all day. It's okay. It's part of the.
It's part of the effing adventure, is what Tom says.
You know what? You did that well. You just plugged his magazine well. It's the Morrises say, the fudging adventure.
That's it.
Okay, let's go.
I thought it was kind of boisterous of Tom to do that, but it is a effing adventure.
It is. It is. It's true. All right, let's roll out.
We're about to get on US 1, so let me read my map. Yeah, it says, turn right on the US 1, so follow the map, let's take a picture of the car by you. Let's see where, yeah, right there. US. No, don't hit those things, don't Alex. Damn it. Okay, so we got that on video. He doesn't understand. I don't know. I'm gonna get out and check it. Let's trailer do anything?
The left rear wheel come off the ground about a foot of the car. The
So-
left rear wheel come off the ground about a foot.
It hit. I heard something pop. I don't know. I don't know if we did anything or if we just. So it's probably okay. Let's just head on. It's all right. Let's go. Okay, well, we'll just have to go. Looks like it got off the road and busted our belly pan. So we gotta slow it down. Okay, so turn right on the US 1 and we're back on the road.
Okay, so this is just so lovely, all this rain. We just love to see it. But we have made it to the gas station. We are in one piece so far. It has been a group effort, let me tell you, between the Drag Illustrated team and Chad and his group and us. It's been a trip. And guys, it's cold. It's cold for Florida. But we're making it.
That's good. So we go into Walmart.
That's excessive.
I've never seen this before in my life.
We go into Walmart at like 2 o'clock in the morning.
What's your snack of choice? Because they bought all the blue Sour Patch Kids.
I like Nutty Buddies.
Nutty Buddy? Oh, yeah, have you seen these? Your own nerd kits?
No?
saw
So you
those
get
the
to like
other
just
day.
choose which nerds
Yeah,
you
choose
eat?
your mix. That's pretty cool, right?
Those dots that you eat that are like just sugar are so gross.
No, they're not. They're good. Hi. It's fine. Okay, there's coffee delivered. I've been trying to get Newbern to do a TikTok with me. He won't do it. I am upset. We've made it to checkpoint 1. It is cold. It is rainy. It is freezing. It is rainy. That's about all it is. But there's a beach back there somewhere. I honestly can't tell if we're in a winter wonderland or a beach day. This is off. Whoa.
Oh, hello.
Whatever, Newbern. Okay, so I don't feel like we're making good time. Oh, you're actually doing something, aren't you? I was interrupting it. Sorry.
I think we're making pretty good time. We're keeping up with traffic. I mean,
Okay.
We're not parked.
Do you know what's freezing?
My trans tunnel has a huge hole, and that's where we warm
See,
our
I
hands
have been waiting. My whole trans tunnel is open.
Yeah.
And I'd love for it to be more
Perfect.
than 125 degrees, and that's all it's running at right now.
Oh, that sucks.
I know, it's disappointing. Darn the stuff for cooling
We're
well.
like shoving our hands down in the hole for the shifter. It's perfect.
I'm so glad you're having a good time with the heat. I'm gonna go see if Chad will do a TikTok with me.
I could hear the music.
Okay, I said redo.
Because you're deaf.
Behind the
Ready?
scenes.
Okay.
Now you're nailing it.
All right, we need a countdown. I'll do 1, 2, 3.
This feels like. How is this not right?
Pulled over on the side of the road because we had like 7 pounds of oil pressure because it's puked all of its oil, and these guys are pulling their oil out so we don't have to unpack our tires. I'm gonna owe you some oil and an apology.
Oh, rust.
Oh,
Meg's got rust all over it.
what's stuck in there? I'm sorry. Okay. A little bit of oiling. You know, if we look real close, we might find an alligator. Think there's any gators out there?
Possibly.
I feel like this is where you get bit by things. Okay, so checkpoint number 2 for the day, and the final checkpoint. I think we are almost ready to go. We had some ice cream. Sorry, right in your way. Didn't mean to. Lots of cars. Little ice cream place. So pretty cold, but I still got the ice cream.
What?
It's cold.
It is cold.
My fingers are.
I even had to pawn off half of my ice cream because I was freezing.
I threw half of mine away.
You did yours too?
I threw half of it away. I was just too cold. It's too cold. What's up, dude? All right, and that is a wrap on yesterday. Starting day 3 today. You guys will see that coming up next. But until then,